Hello everyone. We are about to leave to go to check in for our cruise to Mexico. So yeah, see you guys there.
July 7th, CrossFit is having their summer work. So right now, currently, we are at the gas station getting some gasoline.
So we're gonna go to check in for the boat and just chill on the boat for a couple hours, and then the boat leaves at 5:30. Right now it's 12:45. Ew, we made it. Just trying to get parking. All right, we got our things. That's our boat right there. No, you're pretty.
I'm pretty. Excuse me?
Where are we?
So, hey girls, so last time?
No.
No. You don't want one?
So we just got to our room. Right to the right is a closet. Then to the left is our bathroom. Is our beds, mirror.
Please do not remove any of these items.
Nice, right? This is my parents' room. So right now we're just exploring the boat. Not sure what we're doing, but we wanted to get out of the food section because we kept eating it. That right there is a Queen Mary. We need to go down there and recreate Titanic. I just saw a fish right there. So what do you think so far?
So far, so good.
What is that?
Nazis?
Right now we're just chilling on some chairs. The boat doesn't actually leave for another like 2.5 hours. We don't really know what to do. That's about it. Update you guys in a little, see if we've moved or anything.
May I have your attention, please? On special instructions, those passengers and team members sailing on specific board in your cabin. Please make your stateroom steward.
Put there.
In the event of the rescue stations are located at Station B, Promenade Deck.
Hey everyone, so sorry I didn't vlog the rest of the day, but we pretty much just ate food.
That smells.
It smells weird. Went around the cruise ship, looked around, and we went to the casino and we played bingo. So sorry I didn't film anything. I'll make sure to film stuff tomorrow. It was just kind of hectic. But now we're gonna be playing Being Boozled because we got it at the gift shop sort of thing. You like my goggles, Emily? Okay, so everyone pretty much knows what Being Boozled is. You just spin it and hope for the best. It's either gonna be
Dead
strawberry,
fish.
banana smoothie, or dead fish. Okay, let's hope for the best. Strawberry.
Peach or barf. So
Chip my nail.
peach.
Yeah?
That's
Berry
a good
blue or toothpaste. Toothpaste.
That was not fair. Caramel corn or moldy cheese. Awesome.
Look at that, your face isn't. You're supposed to be.
What is it? Chocolate pudding. Why are you getting all the bad ones?
Look what?
Ew. Cutie fruit. You just keep getting. There's gonna be a pile of just huge jelly beans in the trash can. Oh my god! You can't tell.
Oh my god!
Nicolette! Mmm.
I can't do this anymore. This is disgusting. What did the dog food taste like?
Dog food. So that was disgusting, but
Fruity.
so now we're just gonna call it a night, get ready for bed, go to bed, and tomorrow is just like a day at sea, so we're probably gonna wake up early. May or may not work out in the morning depending on our mood, but we're gonna still wake up kind of early so we can get a spot out on the deck and tan. I'm lying.
Just smell this.
What is that one? Good night for now, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, we just woke up and it's 8:42. I showered. We're getting ready. We wanted to go tan, but it's really cloudy right now, so it probably won't clear up till like noon, but we're still gonna put our bathing suits on anyways. We're just gonna go get some coffee and eat and just wait around, I guess. Eating breakfast.
Are you gonna take lunch? How's it going?
Just got coffee. Hello?
Hi.
We just got back to our room, just saw some Star Wars, and this was what we came back to. Isn't it super cute? It's like super cold outside and we have our bathing suits on, and we wanted to tan, but it's too cold, so we're gonna put on some jeans. So this is what we're having for lunch. I had a lobster, and it's currently gone.
Where we went with my dad.
Hey everyone. So it's currently 11:07 and we're calling it a night. Yep, took you guys along to like mostly everything today, not to the like shows we did, but tomorrow we actually get to go to Mexico and walk around, hopefully, so I'll film a little bit of that. Yeah, but right now we're gonna go to bed, so this is what I'm wearing. These are my shoes. Okay, good night. We're about to go to Mexico. I mean, we're in Mexico. We're about to go explore Mexico. Ensenada.
We're having a nice controlled trip. Katrina, what do you think? 100 feet?
Yeah, huh? Hey.
Is it taking like... Sorry, that's okay.
How are your tacos?
Pretty good. You know, we were one of the last people on the bus, but it's okay.
Living large, my friend.
It was a very stressful experience shopping, so I didn't really film any of it. But other than that, it was pretty good. Strong.
And we got some purses, which is pretty nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Heading back home.
Adios, Ensenada.
What are we doing? We're about to watch a show. Hello? You know, I don't know what to do with it. His mic's off. Okay guys, so that's about it for this vlog. We have to get up pretty early tomorrow. We have to leave our room by 8:30 and leave the ship by 9:30 a.m. Kind of early. We had a fun time. Good short little trip. Thanks for staying tuned. But yeah, that's about it. So yep, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I look really good. I think I'm tired. Okay.
Keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you.